As an entrepreneur or even just a human, one of the most valuable assets that you can have is a recession proof mindset. Now, I don't know if you need to hear this, but over the past few days, I've had several conversations with people that were fear based, revolving around this pandemic or this impending recession. And it reminded me of a conversation that I had with a mentor of mine. About a year ago, I was at a conference. This mentor was as well. Now, I really respect this mentor. He has recently sold his business for upwards of $50 million, and he has this uncanny ability to solve my problems. When I present to him my issue, he will immediately untangle it and within minutes deliver back to me an actionable list of things that I can do to solve my problems. And we were sitting down at breakfast, and at that time I had recently learned that the Federal Reserve was a privately held entity. And I gotta admit, that messed me up mentally. It made me feel like I didn't know anything about money or the way the world works, and I just had a lot of question marks. And that information honestly left me with like this feeling of impending doom. So I was expressing this with him, and he said, "Wait a second, are you a prepper?" And I said, "Well, no." And he said, "Okay, well, consider this. In this alternate future that you're imagining, are there humans? If no, then you really don't have anything to worry about and you're just wasting time. If yes, do those humans still have needs? Okay, well, if humans still have needs, then who's taking care of them? Has the government taken complete control and disbanded all private sectors or privately held businesses? If that's the case, then it sounds like we're all in the same boat and we're all getting the same service, so there's really not much you can do. If the answer is no, then you can still own a business that addresses and solves these human needs. And if you are able to own a business or work for a business that solves human needs, then you have the ability not only to make money, but also to thrive. You can go above and beyond for people, and you can package your products in a manner that's extraordinarily effective and efficient. And you can always improve on those two things because you always have the ability to get better. Now, we live in a world that's ever changing and ever evolving. Sure, the landscape is going to change. The battleground is going to present new obstacles. So most importantly, above all else, make sure that you stay agile. You have the ability to kind of pivot and make changes to fit the new landscape or new battleground. If humans have needs and there's just a hint of capitalism out there, then you have the ability to thrive, to improve the value and improve the overall lives of everyone around you. So anytime that you spend worrying about a future that isn't here, and anytime you spend feeling stuck and not trying to change either yourself or your business to get around these new obstacles and to be effective in the new landscape is simply time wasted. So no matter how big you get, make sure that you stay agile and that you stay focused on human needs so that you can improve the lives of all of those around you, and in doing so, also improve your own life. Now, I don't know if you needed to hear this or not. If you did need to hear it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, share it with somebody who you think might, because at the end of the day, there are two people: the ones that operate out of fear or scarcity and those that operate in abundance. Unbeknownst to even myself at that time, I was operating out of fear and scarcity. So life is abundant so long as we have it. Everybody has needs, and we need to focus on becoming the best versions of ourselves so that we can provide more value and improve the lives of all of those around us. So thanks so much. I appreciate it, and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon. Thanks.